My name is Jerry Rao. Well, things have changed in the last few years after the airport came up. Suddenly, North Bangalore is much more accessible. It's something nearer. It's something that people can go to easily. There's a whole series of hills on the western side. It's just gorgeous. And we have lucked out and been able to find a property which is like a jewel nestled among the hills. My partners, the Rajus of the SRK Group, are outstanding people. We've hit it off, and they are committed to ecology, to sustainability, to luxury, and to global standard. It's just a great place, and SRK is a great group to be able to develop this into a world-class destination for people to live, for people to have a great time. They are setting up a unique resort, an excellent resort, so that many of the headaches and problems that people have when they invest in a villa, gets taken care of. And the plans are excellent. They are moving well ahead of schedule, which is quite unusual in our country. So I think as an investment opportunity as well as a place to live, as a place to come and spend time, I think anyone who takes a look at this is going to fall in love and is going to opt for it. Good luck and happy living and happy enjoying.
As an artist and a musician, I've traveled a lot, I've seen the world, and there's always been this one aspiration and one dream of where I'll finally find my home, where am I going to live. And for me, there were a few things that were important, when I was thinking of a space that I could make my home. One was that it should be in the midst of natural beauty. It should be a space that is really inspiring to me as a creative person. And three, a place where I have the freedom to do what I like, whether it's to farm my own food or there needs to be enough space to do any of these things. So when I finally came here to the estates and saw what was on offer, to me it resonated because all of these boxes got ticked. I'm really happy that Roberto and I have found it right here at the estates.
Lots of green spaces, lots of breathing spaces surrounding each plot, coupled with an outstanding resort that's coming up on campus with all its facilities open to all the community members. I think that's another big tipping point. With me, there are several of my friends and colleagues who actually purchased plots here. Now, it's not the fact that they've just purchased these plots, right? The fact that at some point I'm going to build a home where I'm going to stay, spend the rest of my life with people that I'm fond of, people that I'm friends with, means a lot to me.
One of the unique things about this project that we really liked is that it also comes with a resort attached to the residential area. We're really looking forward to building a villa and enjoying the facilities of the resort.
So the location is simply brilliant. It's 30 minutes away from the airport, and we just immediately seized the deal. The way everything has come together in this property is just beautiful. You have to come and see it to believe it.
I'm going to be 50 almost, and I think we've been working most of our life. And at the end of the day, I wanted to give my family something worthwhile, a beautiful home to live in. For common people like us to actually know the credibility of developers and builders is very difficult. And in that particular case, he's just been transparent, open, and absolutely helpful with every single information we wanted. It reminds me of the old Bangalore, and you can look around and it's absolutely gorgeous, and we're more than happy to refer our friends to buy in this project. I think everyone should just come and have a look here.